Arrive in style with this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are differential heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle 3.23 ratio. Work truck preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, steel wheels, automatic headlights, split bench seat and vinyl seats. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.